Okay, compact washing machine in a motorhome. This is a compact washing machine with a 5 kilo load, and it's mounted at the back of the motorhome. The water discharges into the shower there. Then outside, the hose goes into the garage through a electrical wire point there. The hose is supported there, and it's just a standard hose lock 1.5 inch adapter like this one, 1.5 inch. When we're travelling, I put the transit bolts in, and then this side you can see the discharge hose which goes into through the wall into the shower tray. It's 32mm pipe, 32mm, 1.25 inch I think. Now our use case is we always have mains, power and water. This is not running off our tank. When the machine runs, it uses 30 litres of water, which discharges into the shower, into the grey tank on that side of the van. And this is the model number of the machine. And the machine weighs 47 kilos.